Ethernet and PROFINET are closely related but serve different purposes, especially in industrial automation. To explain this in simple terms, imagine Ethernet as the road network in a city. It defines how vehicles, representing data, travel between houses, offices, and shops, which stand for computers, printers, and other devices. Ethernet sets the rules for how cars should drive, what the lanes look like, and how traffic lights work. This technology is used everywhere, in homes, offices, schools, and factories, to connect computers, routers, printers, and other devices for general data sharing and communication. For example, when you send an email or browse the web at home, you are using Ethernet, whether through cables or Wi-Fi. Let's now look at PROFINET, which stands for Process Field Network. It is like a special express lane built on top of the existing road system, designed specifically for emergency vehicles, which in this analogy represent critical industrial data. PROFINET uses the same roads, meaning the same Ethernet cables and signals, but has special rules and priority to ensure that ambulances, or factory commands, always get through quickly and reliably, even during traffic jams. This protocol is used in factories and industrial settings where machines need to communicate instantly and reliably, such as robots on an assembly line or sensors controlling a conveyor belt. For example, when a sensor detects a problem on a production line, PROFINET ensures the stop command reaches the machine in milliseconds, preventing accidents or product loss. The key differences between Ethernet and PROFINET can be summarized as follows. Ethernet is intended for general communication, whether in homes, offices, or factories, and operates at the physical and data link layers of the OSI model. It uses various types of cables, such as twisted pair, fiber, or coaxial, and is generally fast, though not always suitable for real-time communication. Its configuration is usually simple and plug-and-play. In contrast, PROFINET is designed specifically for industrial automation and real-time control, operating at the application layer and built on top of Ethernet. It typically uses rugged twisted pair cables suited for industrial environments and offers real-time, deterministic, and highly reliable timing. Setting up PROFINET requires special configuration to ensure devices and priorities are managed correctly. To further clarify, Ethernet is like a public road that everyone can use for any purpose, whether commuting, deliveries, or leisure. PROFINET, meanwhile, is like a dedicated emergency lane on those roads, reserved for fire trucks and ambulances, ensuring they get through without delay, regardless of traffic. In a practical factory setting, Ethernet might connect the office computers, printers, and internet, while PROFINET connects the robots, conveyor belts, and sensors, making sure commands such as stop the line are delivered instantly and reliably every time. In summary, Ethernet is the foundation and is used everywhere for general networking. PROFINET is a specialized protocol built on Ethernet, designed for industrial environments where speed, reliability, and real-time communication are critical. You can think of PROFINET as a supercharged, industrial-specific way of using Ethernet, ensuring that machines in a factory talk to each other quickly and predictably, even in tough conditions.